Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Cooking a turkey involves several key steps for a delicious outcome. First, thaw your turkey if it's frozen. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Remove the giblets and neck, then rinse the turkey and pat dry. Season the cavity and skin as desired. To keep it moist, place breast side up on a rack in a roasting pan, and loosely cover with foil. Roast, removing the foil in the last hour for browning. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. Let it rest before carving to retain juices.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.